Alright y'all, back out here speed running, Losi Mini B. Just did a quick little part swap, changed the pinion gear, geared up by 2 teeth. See if you can see that, 2 teeth up here. Got a freshly charged 3S 100C CNHL battery in here. And gonna give this another run. I already had a few runs today, had some pretty good times, beat my PB by 1 mile per hour. Would love to push that a bit, really hoping for 75 today. That's my goal. Oh, big airplane coming over. Let's see here. So, let's switch screens, get to, 1 mile per hour. So we are zeroed out. We're gonna go track start. Show you that we're hooked up here. That's good. Big old airplane up in the distance. Out here at the industrial park. Been actually having a good day at this spot. Never been here. Super flat, super smooth and clean. It's Sunday, so it's quiet out here. Let's see, let's make another pass going the other way. I don't know, I can't say that felt a lot faster. Kind of ran into this with the last power system I had where I would gear it, just not get any more speed out of it. But I really hope today that was, don't even want to say it, stop, read 75, sick, that is what I was going for today. That was my goal, 75, hopefully you can see that, 75 miles per hour. Losi Mini B, all custom, pro roller chassis. Otherwise, full custom, big ass 2850 motor, 3S power, 120 amp hobby wing speed controller, custom suspension setup, Hecatite, GNSS mount, stock chassis, no real aero mods, stock running gear basically, a couple things here and there. Sick one. 75 mile per hour Losi Mini B.